Alright, today I have an Apple Watch and I'm going to show you how to set an alarm on your Apple Watch. So right here I have my Apple Watch. It's currently off. You'll want to have the passcode entered if you have a passcode for your watch in order so you can get to the controls. So here is the main screen right here. And what I'll want to do is get to the apps. In order to do that, I'll have to go right here. Tap the side. You see what I did? I just tapped the side, the button on the side, and it brings me to this screen. And on this screen right here, I can go down to see other apps, or I can tap the app that I want. And in this case, it is alarms, okay? So don't be alarmed by this. I'm going to tap that, and it comes up for alarms. It says no wake up alarm. I tap that. I can change and sleep. Okay, so I'm right here. It says no alarm. Set. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the plus button. I'm going to go ahead and press that. And then once this is up right here, I can go ahead and set the alarm. It's currently 4:44. In order for me to change the alarm, I can just tap on this. I can go from PM to AM if I want to change it. So the alarm is whatever. All right, so alarm is at 4:44 a.m., but I can go in here and I change it. So I set it to that. I can do repeat. I can change it from repeat accordingly, or I can do not even label the alarm, but I want to label it, and I can label it whatever I want to. Hi, that's the name of it. All right, so right here I have all of this. Snooze, or I can actually delete the alarm if I so choose to. So now I'm back to no alarm. So I can add a plus one right here. And so in order to change alarm, so it's currently set to 4:45, but in order to change it, I can switch between PM and AM. But if I want to change the time, I either tap on that. You see where it says the green is around that. And then I take this wheel and I can scroll it and I can go ahead and set the time. 11:45. I actually like 11:43 a little bit better. All right. So then I can change it between AM and PM. And then I go ahead and set it. And there you have it. You can have this alarm on. So the current alarm is on. Remember, I can tap on it, make changes between the time, the repeat, label. And so I'm in here. I can just tap on the time and make changes. If I want to change the alarm time, I can edit it that way. I'll do 41. And then just press that. You can do repeat, label alarm, snooze, and delete. You have those options right there. So I'm going to go ahead and go backwards. So that's that. And then you can always add another one, okay? You can always add an alarm. So you have alarms during the day. Just go up here. Right here. No wake up alarm. This is another feature where it has alarms, no wake up alarm. I can change that. Change and sleep. It says Apple Watch can track how long you sleep along with your sleep stages and wake you up with an alarm on your wrist. It can also track your respiratory rate and wrist temperature. Oh, that's a cool feature. So it can track how long you sleep along with your sleep stages. Now that's pretty cool. And then next, sleep goals. So you can make all of these changes in here. So this is for the wake up alarm. It just checks. This is another feature that they have. Sleep screen. It does all of these things. I'm not going to go through all of this with you. But that's the sleep function on the Apple Watch. A lot of cool things with this. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get out of that. Go back to the screen where it has no wake up alarm. These alarms right here, you can add another alarm. We went over that. But that's how you set the alarm on an Apple Watch. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.